In the memories of a sister, a love that's always known. In the stirring of companions, the seeds of grace are sown. But I hear a higher calling, where the dove begins to fly to the senseless, selfless ministry, with a fixed and steady eye, beyond the reach of shadows, to the perfect one I rise, with the vision of Mount Zion as the only morning prize. Look at your heartbeat, look at your pulse. Is it the Spirit's fire, or a flickering impulse? Doctrine in the heart is the rhythm of the King. Ministry on the wrist is the power that we bring under the shadow of His head of dew. He's making all things holy, making all things new. The eagle of our anger tries to snatch the soul away, but like Moses in the presence, I will choose to watch and pray. The snake of lust is crawling, seeking vision to deceive, but I look upon His goodness, and the ancient lies I'll leave. I am hiding in the cleft, in the rock that stands so tall, where the anger and the darkness have no power left at all. And the dew is falling softly, I can feel the fivefold grace. I will flourish like the lily in the light of His embrace. I am rooting like the cedar deep beneath the mountain floor, spreading branches out in mercy, opening a wider door, with the olive's golden splendor and the fragrance of the vine. In the year of His favor, the glory will be thine. 15 for the praise, to honor who you are. 15 for petition, for the near and for the far. 15 interceding for the broken and the lost. 15 in your presence, no matter what the cost. Dividing up the hour just to keep the rhythm true, connecting every heartbeat to the Savior's morning dew. Heartbeat and pulse,